In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 real reasons most Google ads fail in the first 90 days and how you can fix them step by step. You will learn where beginners usually go wrong with goals, tracking, keywords, and landing pages, and what to change so your campaigns can actually start bringing leads and sales. So, by the end of this video, you will have a clear checklist in your mind to turn a failing or confused Google Ads account into a structured, improving system. Stay with us. If your Google Ads are not working in the first 90 days, you are not alone. Most campaigns do not fail because Google Ads are broken. They fail because of a few very common mistakes that almost every beginner and even many agencies make. In this video, I'm going to show you why most campaigns fail in those first 90 days and what you need to fix step by step so that your campaigns can actually start bringing leads and sales instead of burning budget. If you are a business owner who tried Google Ads and got disappointed, or a beginner marketer who feels lost inside the platform, then this video is for you. I will keep this very simple, practical, and honest. No fancy theory, just real results and real fixes. Let us start with why most Google Ads fail in the first 90 days. So, here is the reason number one: no clear goal. Many people start a campaign without a clear business goal. They just click on a few buttons, select some keywords, set a random budget, and hope for magic. So Google asks, what is your objective? Sales, leads, website traffic. And beginners either pick the wrong one or mix too many goals together. When the goal is not clear, Google does not know what success looks like. And if Google does not know what you want, it cannot optimize your campaign. Reason number two: no proper conversion tracking. This is one of the biggest reasons campaigns fail. If you are not tracking your leads, your purchases, form submissions, or calls, then Google has no idea which clicks are valuable and which ones are wasting money. You also do not know which keywords or campaign is bringing results. So you look at clicks, impression, and cost, and you feel like nothing is working. But the truth is, you actually do not have the data to know. Here we have a reason number three: wrong keywords and wrong intent. So beginners usually target very broad and general keywords. For example, marketing agency, skincare products, training courses, software tools. So these keywords are expensive and often bring people who are just researching, not ready to buy. So the budget is going into the wrong searches. High intent keywords are very different. So they sound like Google Ads agency for e-commerce, acne serum for oily skin, online courses for Google Ads with mentorship, employee onboarding software demo. So the first 90 days fail when you target the wrong intent. So the reason number four: weak landing page. Even if your targeting is correct, your campaign will fail if the page that users land on is weak. So slow page, confusing message, no clear call to action, too many distractions. Google Ads bring the click. Your landing page turns that click into a customer. So if the landing page is not ready for that, your campaign will look like a failure. Reason number five: no patience and constant changes. So another reason many accounts fail in the first 90 days: people keep changing everything too fast. They adjust budgets, change bids, add new keywords, pause old ones, rewrite ads every 2 days. The system never gets time to learn, so it never stabilizes. Google Ads needs data and consistency to understand what works. Now that you know why campaign fail, so let's us talk about how to fix them. So here is number one: start with one clear goal. Ask yourself, do I want leads? Do I want sales? Do I want calls? So you have to pick one primary goal and you have to build your campaign around that. If your main goal is a lead generation, select that lead as objective and track form submissions or call booking as your main conversions. Step number two: you have to set up proper conversion tracking before you run ad. Connect your website with Google Ads through Google Tag Manager or direct tags. You have to track meaningful actions, let's say form submissions, purchases, free demo booking, or phone call. Once tracking is in place, you and Google both know what success looks like. Now optimization becomes possible. So here is the fix number three: you have to choose intent based keywords. Instead of going after broad or expensive keywords, focus on keyword that shows clear buying or action intent. So you have to add words like a service agency near me, for businesses, software demo, courses with certificate, or free trial. These phrases show that the person is closer to taking action and not just learning. And here is your fix number 4. Align your landing page with your ad and keywords. So if your ad promises one clear thing, your page should continue the same message. For example, if your ad says generate more courses sale with Google Ads, your landing page should immediately talk about that benefit. Add a single clear call to action. Book a strategy call, request a free demo, enrolling in the course. Remove distractions that do not help the visitor decide. Then here's a fix number 5. Give your campaign time and review on a schedule. Do not judge your campaign in 2 or 3 days. Give it some time to collect data. In the first week, focus on checking, is tracking working? Are there totally irrelevant search terms? After 10 to 14 days, start removing irrelevant keywords or search terms, adjusting bits slightly and improving ad copy. Think of the first 90 days as a learning and optimization phase, not just a result phase. Simple guidance for beginners and struggling marketers. Start small, learn fast, and improve weekly. One clear goal, 1 or 2 well structured campaigns, good tracking, relevant keywords, strong landing page, database decision. If you follow this, your Google Ads will stop feeling like a gamble and start feeling like a control system. So, if you are a business owner and you want expert eyes on your account to see what is blocking your result, you can book a free strategy call using the link in the description, and I will review your account and share the key areas you need to fix. And if you are a beginner or a struggling marketer and you want a step-by-step guidance to build profitable campaigns with confidence, check out my Google Ads training in the description. It is designed to help you avoid exactly these mistakes and think like a strategist. Subscribe if you want more straight, honest, and practical guidance on Google Ads. See you in the next video.